I'm Dr. Pooja Yadav, sir. My paper is Voluntary Disclosure Practices in Life Insurance Sector, a comparative study. The present study discussed the disclosure results of life insurance companies, including one public sector company, LIC, and 9 selected private companies operating in India. To analyze the financial reporting practices, voluntary item of IRDA related to accounting and finance, the finance are selected from the annual reports of 6 years from 2014-15 to 2019-20 of following companies. First, Life Insurance Corporation of India, the only public sector company exists. HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company Limited, Max Life Insurance Company Limited, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited, Tata AIA Life Insurance Company, SBI Life Insurance Company Limited, Bharti Extra Life Insurance Company Limited, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company Limited, and Future Generally India Life Insurance Company Limited. Item-wise voluntary disclosure in this regard is as follows: financial highlights, gross domestic premium, solvency margin, certain expenses of management, employee stock option scheme, financial consultants, underwriting results, net incurred claims, class-wise performance, foreign currency transactions, taxation provisions, and provision for claims incurred but not reported. Accounting and finance disclosure percentage for of public and private life insurance companies under study are given in following table. So I can't show my papers, sir. That I'm analyze the table.
Okay.
Table 1 showed that in 2014-15, percentage of voluntary disclosure about accounting and finance by the only public insurance company LIC of India was 66.67, which increased to 83.33% in 2015-16 and remains same in the next year 2016-17. Then increased to 91.67% in 2017-18 and remains same in 2018-19. Finally, it increased and reached to highest 100% in the year 2019-20. For private sector life insurance companies under study, accounting and finance disclosure score was 31.11% in 2014-15, which increased to 38.33% in 2015-16, 52.96% in 2016-17, 81.30% in 2017-18, 88.33% in 2018-19, and reached up to 92.04% in the final year 2019-20. The average of the period under study was much higher at 86.11% for the only public sector companies in comparison to average of private sector companies, which was 64.01%. Standard deviation, coefficient of variation value show the LIC of India has insignificant fluctuations, whereas private companies having significant fluctuations in their accounting and finance disclosure percentage, which should be controlled by improving disclosure practices. From table 1, it is clear that the track record of the public sector insurance company LIC is better in comparison to selected private life insurance companies as far as accounting and finance disclosure is concerned. Chi-square test, now to know whether the difference between actual and expected voluntary disclosure about accounting and finance is significant or not. Chi-square test has been performed. For the public life insurance company LIC, following hypothesis has been tested. Null hypothesis is there is no significant difference between the actual and expected voluntary disclosure about accounting and finance score for the public sector life insurance company LIC during the period under study. The second table is shown. Oh, I can't. I conclude the table.
Now conclude your.
At the calculated chi-square values lower the tabular value, null hypothesis can be accepted, and it can be concluded that there is no significant difference between the actual and expected voluntary disclosure about the accounting for the public sector life insurance company LIC during the period under study. For the private sector life insurance company under study, following hypothesis has been tested. Null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between the actual and expected voluntary disclosure about accounting and finance score for the private sector life insurance companies during the period under study. The second table is for chi-square calculated chi-square value is more than tabular value, null hypothesis can be rejected, and it can be concluded that there is a significant difference between the actual and expected voluntary disclosure score of accounting and finance for the private sector life insurance companies during the period under study. My paper's conclusion is it can be concluded from this analysis of voluntary disclosure practices in public and private sector life insurance companies that financial reporting and disclosure practices are still better in the single public sector company LIC of India. Although private companies are approaching to it, but they are still in process, and LIC of India is definitely found better than these private sector life insurance companies. Thank you, sir.